In this video, I will be showing you how to make an ID card in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the search bar under the template section and typing in ID card. Once the results appear, I have access to a huge library of templates including staff badges, student IDs, and visitor passes. I'll spend some time scrolling through these options to find a design that fits my needs, as there are many different layouts and color schemes to choose from. I found a minimalist gradient design that I like, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Now that the design is open, I'll begin by clicking the logo text and updating it to S&M Foundation. Next, let's change the photo. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for Businesswoman. I'll filter the results for photos and browse until I find the perfect image for this ID. I'll click the photo to add it to the page, then drag and drop it directly onto the existing image to swap them out. I'll adjust the position and scale slightly to make sure it is framed correctly. Next, I'll click on the name field and change it to Clara Davidson, and then I'll update the position title to Account Specialist. I'll also scroll down to the second page to ensure the back of the card matches by updating the foundation name here as well. Now that the design is complete, I'll click the Share button in the top right, select Download, and choose the suggested PNG format. Finally, I'll click the Download button to save the finished ID card to my computer. And that is how you create a professional ID card quickly and easily using Canva.